See a little bit more long stretch. The clouds. This is just World War II. Whoa. World War II stretch is long. Lady was nice. She's walking her dog. This is pretty cool. This is a nice tribute. Committed now. I gotta walk the whole thing. Committed. I remember the first time I went to the Vietnam Memorial in DC. That was pretty cool. I think I went on a class trip or something. I remember seeing kids color in with a crayon, but you put the sheet of paper over the name and rub the crayon across so it ends up on the sheet of paper, the name. My father served in Vietnam. He did not die in Vietnam. He died many years later. There's like a superstition in Louisiana that when you pass a cemetery that you are quiet. Take a moment of silence for those who have passed. And my father's father was in Korea. You have to hear me breathe all heavy. I'm out of shape. It was a long winter. I ate a lot. Stayed in my bed a lot because it's cold. It's pretty cool. They say they do this twice a year. 4th of July and Memorial Day. Probably cut the video off soon, but I wanted to get all the way to Vietnam. That's how you know we've had a lot of wars in our country, and a lot of people died. A lot of people died. I wonder if they have the Iraq War. Words again. So here we are, approaching Vietnam. It's a beautiful park. Stoner Park in Henry, Illinois. I feel like I should have cleaned my camera lens before I started, but we're here now. And we're almost through the whole park, the whole tribute.